Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for both LEGO lovers and Twilight fans, the brand new LEGO Ideas Twilight, the Cullen house set. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab this set, it's already becoming a hot collector's item. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome LEGO reviews and geeky collectibles. Let's talk about what makes this set so special. You're getting a beautifully detailed LEGO brick replica of the iconic Cullen house, straight out of the Twilight saga. The modern, glass-heavy architecture is captured perfectly, from the forest backdrop to the sleek, minimalist interior design. It's a great build experience and an even better display piece. Included in the set are 7 minifigures, featuring fan-favorite characters. Edward Cullen, Bella Swan, Jacob Black, plus Alice, Rosalie, Emmett, and Dr. Carlisle Cullen. Each minifigure comes with movie-accurate outfits and accessories that fans will instantly recognize, from Edward's iconic style to Bella's flannel look and Jacob's rugged vibes. The build itself is super satisfying, designed for adults aged 18+, with plenty of small architectural details and hidden references to the films and books. If you're a Twilight fan, you'll spot little Easter eggs throughout. It's like reliving the saga scene by scene. Once built, it makes an amazing display centerpiece for any collector, whether you're putting it in your room, your movie shrine, or alongside your LEGO Ideas collection. It's also a fantastic DIY craft gift idea for book lovers and fantasy fans, not just Twilight buffs. Whether it's for a birthday, a special occasion, or just a treat-yourself moment, this set is absolutely magical. So if you want to bring a piece of Forks, Washington home and build your own piece of Twilight history, check out the link in the description to get your hands on the LEGO Ideas Cullen house set before it sells out. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Edward, Team Jacob, or Team LEGO? And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome builds and fan gear reviews. Catch you in the next one.